I choose the upgrade to Real ID because this coming May 2025, they require
the DMV. Let's go inside. 6 and call your number 7.
Waiting at the DMV to get our number called.
Yes.
What number are we?
Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. How are you all guys? By the way, I'm Noy. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. So today we have an exciting topic that we're gonna discuss. It is about on how to renew and upgrade to a real state ID. Because this coming May 2025, if you fly domestic from California, they require you for a real ID. A couple months ago, I received a letter from DMV, Department of Motor Vehicles, here in California, that I have to renew my ID. And it's gonna be expiring next month, April. So, I just renew it, guys, and I will tell you what are the requirements and how to do it. So, let's proceed, guys. You have to go online in DMV website, which is dmvcalifornia.gov. You have to make a DMV account. So, for the account will be your email address, and then you have to make your password. And once you signed in, there is a requirements there, and it says that you need to renew your ID and then or upgrade to Real ID. So I choose the upgrade to Real ID because this coming May 2025, they require when you travel nabubulol ako. Pag nag-travel ka domestic, they need you to provide a real ID if you don't have the passport. But if you have passport, you can show your passport. But if you don't, they require you to have a real ID, like your driver's license. It's upgraded to a real ID. So mine wasn't. So now I wanna upgrade it to the real ID. So I created my account in DMV and then online, and I provide all the requirements there. First requirements is proof of identity. Under the proof of identity, you have to submit a valid US passport, certified copy of US birth certificate, or valid permanent resident card. So in my case, I provided or I submitted the valid US passport card. So under the US passport, you can submit US passport book or US passport card. And then the second requirements is proof of California residency. So under the proof of residency, we have the rental or lease agreement, electric bill, water bill, gas bill, phone bill, mortgage bill, insurance documents, bank and financial institution records, your health insurances, and then car registration, or IRS or California Franchise Tax Board, FTB tax return, and etc. So in my case, I submitted the rental or lease agreement and electric bill. So they only require you to provide 2 of each documents that shown your name and your address. Same in your proof of identity. So those are the requirements that I submitted, guys. And then I uploaded those requirements online, and after you uploaded it, they give you the confirmation number that if you go, you have to go back to the DMV office. So after I got the confirmation number, so the next day, guys, we went to the nearest DMV office here in our place, and then I brought all the requirements that I submitted online, and we went there, and then they gave me a pay, like a little number that we have to wait, and then until my number got called, and I showed it to the DMV personnel, the requirements that I uploaded online. And then she input everything in the computer and make sure, let me review everything, make sure that all the information that I provided are correct. And then I paid $39 for the upgrade of Real ID. And after that, she let me proceed to the in front of the camera where they took a picture of me that they're gonna put it to your Real ID. And after that, she told me that it takes 2 to 4 weeks or 2 to 3 weeks to get my Real ID from the mail. And then it took only like an hour, guys, for everything, and then it's already done. And we went home, and then I show you like a video inside the DMV office. Yeah, so if you guys want to renew your ID or your driver's license and upgrade to Real ID, yeah, because over here in California, if you travel domestic, like around the US, they require you a Real ID. Yeah, so if you have questions, just comment down below, and yeah, leave a comment so I could respond to you guys. And thank you so much for watching. Are we going on vacation? We're going on DMV.
Yeah, that's our vacation today.
Yeah, to renew my, to get a Real ID, to upgrade my ID to Real ID.
And renew it too.
Yeah. So we already have our confirmation number that we did online, because we went over there and the lady said, oh, you have to do it online, like you have to make a DMV account. So I actually did make one yesterday, and I filled out a lot of like, you know, the application over there, application form online. Yeah, personal information. And then
Uploaded some photos.
upload a proof of identity and proof of residency. So we are bringing it right now, all the requirements, and then we're gonna show the confirmation number to them. So
Hopefully they accept it with one
hopefully,
piece of information
yeah, it's okay.
that
Cut off from scanning it, because it was a long paper. We tried. So we're bringing the original copies, and we're heading right now. So we're gonna update you guys what gonna happen later.
and then later on I have to renew my driver's license.
Yes, because it's expiring, huh? Alright. See you guys later. It's a nice day, by the
Yeah,
way.
nice cool day.
DMV is there, guys.
Yep, Department of Motor Vehicles.
Yes. So it's currently 9:42. So I guess they open at 9. So let's go. Dito na yung requirements natin. Oh,
Galaxy.
pasok tayo sa loob. It's the DMV. Let's go inside. I got the
Now serving G026 at window number 7.
right.
Yeah, which is you're waiting at the DMV to get a number called.
Yes.
What number are we?
G031.
Yeah, and right now they're on G026. So we're gonna be waiting here for a while.
Now serving B025 at window number 7.
And they go out of order. Okay.
See you guys later.
Yeah, they are.
You got it, guys. Yeah, real ID. We're done.
Yeah, we're done.
Time is it? 40. It's like an hour there, huh?
Yeah, it's an hour.
Yeah. So we are done.
Yeah,
Yay.
we're done. The lady was kind of rude.
It's okay. She's
Yeah.
fine. Not that too much, but she's like
She just said document
ask you
your
and
card, $39.
$13 today, and then
Yeah.
it's fine.
It's fine.
That's how they are.
All you have to do is just be nice.
Yeah. So let's go.
Yeah.
Oh, she said 2 to 4 weeks.
Yeah,
Yeah, in the mail, huh?
in the middle.
So what can you say? It was fine.
It was okay.
like a not really long. It's like an hour.
An hour
Because
wait.
we left the card 9:42 and got back at 10:40. So it's like
An
an
hour
hour.
wait, yeah.
Not bad. It's not that bad, but it's fine.
Yeah, what they do is they really don't go in order. They go A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Every
They
window.
were G, so they go in around and so forth like that.
Yeah, but we went to window 9, G31, number G31,
Yeah, and
031.
we didn't want to go down.
I know, but I think she's the one who's serving number G. Oh, letter G, number G. Not letter G, number 031. Yeah, let's go, guys. We'll see where we're gonna go. That's it for today's video. Hope you like this topic, and then don't forget to like and subscribe to Noy and Cory. Thank you so much, guys, for your support, and see you in our next one. Bye. Have a great weekend, everyone.